Alright, so we split up for everybody now, so we're on our way up to Topeka. We're quite a bit later than we wanted to leave, but it's 3 o'clock now. We won't get there till probably 7 o'clock, maybe even 8 o'clock. We don't know yet, because we're hauling it pretty hard. But either way, check out this wind farm. It is crazy, and it is windy too. Trip to Topeka, then home from there. We didn't really stop to film anything, so most of the footage is from either the GoPro or manhandling the tripod or a cell phone. We didn't get to Topeka until right when the sun was setting. Jesus wanted to visit his boss at his home before camping out in the woods, but we got there too late, so his boss got us a hotel at the Hampton Inn for a one-night stay. I was first extremely against the idea, due to the hood being in the back of the Jeep. I'm worried if something might happen, as my overthinking does in situations like this, but it all worked out in the end. We moved the hood into his Delica as well as some other items and stayed the night. I must also thank the front desk clerk, Steven. He kept a very close eye on the truck, told us where to park to be in view of the cameras, said it's very low crime, etc., etc. I gotta thank very much for helping out a warrior wart such as I. We eventually headed out in the morning to meet Jesus' boss, as he had to pick something up from him, and then we both headed home. We got home around 10 p.m. Monday night, and I want to mention this is the last part in our Twister Adventure 2.0 Boogaloo. Stay tuned for some other Coverland Adventures fun, and be sure not to only thumbs up, but also like and subscribe and comment. So we just left Emporia. We're 40 miles till Topeka. We're going to be taking some toll roads to get there a little faster, $4 charge, I guess. It's an hour and a 5-way till we meet Jesus Denver's wonderful best friend that he works with. We got a beautiful sunset going down here in Kansas. You see why they call it the Sunflower State. Keeping a close eye on Dorothy. It's moving a little bit in the wind, as well as that as well. Make sure that don't fly out, because that'd be because I'm on actually the interstate at this point. I don't think it will though, so we got really tied down and screwed to the bed. Much as I didn't want to put holes in the bed, I had to. So we're making our way down to Texas Roadhouse. We're staying the night here in Topeka by Honors. And I thank you very much, Mr. Blaine, for renting out the room for us, because we did get pretty late here in Topeka. We really had to check out those filming locations, though. It was a lot of fun. We did a lot of reenactments. We're going right now here to the Texas Roadhouse. I think you turn left here. Yeah, turn right. I think this one. No, I was thinking that one.
Oh, it was that one?
Yeah, I think it was that one. I think this is an office building. Let's see if it goes through. No.
Yeah. Well,
We can off-road it. No, I don't want to fall over. That's a cliff, man. I don't fucking... It's just grass. No, it's a cliff. Hey, there's a rabbit. But anyways, I didn't think you liked rabbit after I fed it to you the first time. I mean, you really enjoyed it until I said, yeah, it's rabbit, and you spat it out.
Yeah, I did spat it out. I said, that's weird, because it was so good.
Oh, no, G spat it out. That's right.
It was them, yeah.
They were like, what? And then was Griss's, and I think Griss's, oh yeah, I eat this all the time. Like, oh, y'all are weird.
I was trying to surprise you and you just eat weirder shit.
Oh shit, don't tell me it's over there.
I guess it's down below.
Damn.
Sorry, I thought it was this one because I saw the sign.
Yeah.
So as you can see, as we're still recording, we're lost. Forever lost. Well, not forever lost, but we're making our ways around and around. I'll tell you what. Oh. Finish out a Wakita event until you at least have steak like he had at Aunt Meg's house. I have myself a prime rib. Has like real, or excuse me, while Jesus Denver has like real shrimp and steak. In the heart of downtown Topeka, we're heading on our way to Salina, Kansas here shortly. We're getting gas at the BP station. We went to go meet wonderful boss Blaine, as well as one of his other wonderful friends, Corey, as well. Great people. It was a real pleasure meeting both of them. And I thank Blaine again for helping out and renting out the room for us. Nice Topeka Police. Yeah. Anyways, either way, we'll be heading out shortly. Back home. So stick with us. So here we are, parked on the side of the highway of I-70 westbound, just a little bit past Oakley, Kansas. The Delicar, its turbo's been acting up as of late. Well, Jesus Denver, aka Sony, was messing with it and he found out the switch is gone, so now he's looking through his vehicle and make sure the switch is there or not. He just found it, so there's that thumbs up. At the Colorado state border right now. The sun is like directly in the freaking way of the camera. Nonetheless, it was a fun adventure.
the sun sets over the horizon. The hour is late, and it's been a wonderful past 4 days here. We went down Thursday night to Waukeeta, Oklahoma. We had the 26th anniversary of Twister, and now we're on our way back home. Between me and Sony, we're exhausted, but it was a fun trip. I also like to thank all you folks out there for not only watching but subscribing to our channel. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'd like to also thank some wonderful special folks out there as well. To Zonado. You can check her out on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. She has some crazy videos. Also Twister Fanatics. Also like to give out a shout out to Tucker White for some beautiful photography, as well as the many others that I had wonderful adventures with again this year. I hope to do it annually, as well as Sony's liking to hopefully do some excursions and coming back to Waukeeta as well in his wonderful maybe ship edition, or changing his Delica into Belcher's van with the tornado on the side and the radar on top. Anyways, I'd like to give some other special thanks to Sean and Wendell for signing my truck. Thank you very much. We had a blast out there, and hope to see you folks out there more. Happy trails, and see you next time.
While following the Delica, Jesus Denver got us lost by following the wrong path and turned off at the wrong exit. We're supposed to turn off at the next one and not this one. So we had a surprise visit by Le Mans police officers, which were just wondering what we're doing, and we told them we're lost, and they said, okay, goodbye.
You want that Love's gas station, you mean?
Huh?
That gas station we were at?
The one that we clicked on to the one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Alright, it's just a little past here, actually. Oh, no. Oh, great. Yeah, we're lost a little bit. We're looking for the Love's gas station. We're looking for the Love's gas station. Sorry about that. We'll be out of your way here.
What?
Alright, I found it. Here it is, Flying J.
Oh, fuck, dude. I was about to shit myself.
You want to follow me then?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll wait till this guy passes and we'll go. Here we are in a movie restaurant, the Oscars. You figure, where's the Twister menu? Gets Jurassic Park. I get the Untouchables. And here's a lot of folks just staring at the door.